everyone. Today I wanted to do a little product demonstration for you. So this is the Aquapaw Slow Treater. You can see the front has these ridges and then the back has 3 suction cups. So what I do with this is I use this on grooming day. So I fill this with wet food. You can also use peanut butter or something like that. And then I stick it on a glass surface. And usually I do this outside and put it on the outside of the sliding glass door. And then I let Sammy eat it. Okay, buddy. And then while he's licking the food out, I can pet him, I can groom him, I can do his nails, I can clean his ears, and he doesn't care because he's completely distracted by the food. And depending on how long you're grooming your dog, you might have to refill it once or twice. But it works really well on grooming day. So hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.